Welcome back, I'm Ron the Cook. You survived Thanksgiving with your family, and now you have a fridge full of leftovers, and you're tired of eating the same plate every day. So I'm gonna go a completely different direction than we usually go for our leftovers. I'm not gonna make a sandwich, I'm not gonna just warm up some food. Let's make some ramen. I have all the standard leftovers, so we're gonna take a few of those and mix it in with our ramen to kick that up and give us something completely new. Thanksgiving ramen. We got some leftover turkey breast. This is a quarter of a white onion and 1 stalk of celery cut in bias. We've got 2 eggs, our instant ramen, along with its beautiful seasoning here, a little bit of gravy, and 550 milliliters of water, or however much water your instant ramen asks for. Let's get started. Got my pan here set to 375 degrees. Gonna hit with just a little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons. We're gonna add in our celery and onions. You want to cook your onions and celery until you get a nice color on them. Not fully caramelized and soft. You want to get a little bit of char on the outside. That is the color we're looking for. Now we're going to add in our turkey that's been shredded. 6 ounces of turkey breast. Now let's season with our ramen seasoning. A few tablespoons of water to deglaze our pan. Now we're going to add in our leftover gravy, about 2 tablespoons. This is just regular turkey gravy. Give that a stir to incorporate. Now it's also going to start thickening up everything. Now let's add the rest of our water. At this point, I'm just following the directions on my ramen. Bring our water up to a boil, then add the dried vegetables, the noodles, and the sauce packet. All right, let's add our dried veg and our noodles. We're just gonna go for 3 to 4 minutes. So our noodles are done cooking. Now we're gonna add our sauce packet. Sorry, this is sauce flavoring. Now, let's plate up. And to finish off, add a fried egg. And there is our Thanksgiving ramen. Look at that. It smells like instant noodles and Thanksgiving. Let's give it a try. Let's just try the noodles on their own, see what those taste like. Flavor of gravy actually comes through. You're getting a good amount of the celery flavor, flavor of the noodles themselves with all of the other ingredients is giving it almost a stuffing flavor. The turkey took on a lot of the flavor of the top ramen, so it's tasting as if it was poached in mirin and soy sauce. Now this is the best Thanksgiving leftovers I've ever made. Now going back to that celery and the onions, the reason I didn't want to caramelize them all the way is because they have this beautiful light crunch to them. Almost like a stir fry. If you want to check out the rest of my holiday recipes, click right there. And if you want to check out some of my cocktails, click up there for Thirsty Thursdays. Until next time, I'm Ron, the Cook.